there is a password in BIOS. This is the administrator password. We want to remove this password. Let's remove this password now. We reprogram this BIOS. Before reprogramming, we clear the password of this BIOS with the help of our software Hex editor, Hex Workshop. Now display is coming in board. See, display in my pen drive. Display is coming with our new BIOS. Now let's connect in cabinet and check password is removed or not. We reprogram the BIOS. Now check password is removed or not, and connected in cabinet. System is powered on now, and we reprogram the BIOS with the help of Hex editor, and see, password is clear now. This case study of Asus laptop is now clear. Thank you.